Hello and welcome to Features and Facts of WinCC Open Architecture. Did you know that there is a cost-efficient way of getting started with WinCC OE video? Ben, you as the video expert, can you tell us more about this option?
Of course, Marcus. It's very easy for you. When you want to use a cost-efficient entry for just streaming a live video from a camera direct to the video widget, order a video basic license and you can use it as a RTSP client.
But when this is an RTSP stream, why is this any better compared to having the camera stream shown in a WebView widget?
Well, in a standard WebView widget, you don't have any safety features as we have in the widget. I can show you how. Well, as you can see here in the example panel we built with WinCC URL video, using the video widget, we used here a RTSP URL for the direct connection to the camera and getting events from the widget for controlling if there is really live video decoded. And of course, we can measure the latency of the video stream from the camera until it's really displayed on the monitor. And this is a cool feature for any safety application.
Thank you, Ben, for explaining this option to our audience. That's all what we have for you today. Have fun with WinCC OE video. See you next time.